Creating threads in Python. I have a script and I want one function to run at the same time as the other. The example code I have looked at. I'm having trouble getting this working. I would prefer to get this going using a threaded function rather than a class. This is the working script.
You don't need to use a subclass of thread to make this work. Take a look at the simple example I'm posting below to see how. Here I show how to use the threading module to create a thread which invokes a normal function as its target. You can see how I can pass whatever arguments I need to it in the thread constructor.
There are a few problems with your code. You can't subclass with a function, only with a class. If you were going to use a subclass you'd want threading.thread, not threading.thread. If you really want to do this with only functions, you have two options. With threading, with thread, doc for thread, dot start underscore new underscore thread.
I tried to add another join, and it seems worked. Here is code.
Python 3 has the facility of launching parallel tasks. This makes our work easier. It has for thread pooling and process pooling. The following gives an insight. Thread pool executor example. Another example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.